Hey, it's Ronnie. It's a short. I gotta talk fast. It just never ends. Yesterday, I wanted to get after my Lincoln. Well, old Blue here, I'm driving. If you can see the hood, developed a misfire, and I picked up plugs after work and got after it. And then plug wire boot came off and broke. So I spent 40 minutes working on redoing the plug wire because I don't got an extra set. Changed 3 spark plugs, 3 of them, not all 6. The front 3, found one that was really carboned up. It had done it once before, but now check it out. This baby will spend $4,000, no problem now. But yeah, it gets warmer out. I had to do it all outside.